Assalamualaikum students. Today I am going to conduct your lab 9, which is related to the installation of domain, Cpanel and FTP. FTP is basically file transfer protocol. The objective of this lab is to make you familiar with the online WordPress installation on domain and hosting. What is Cpanel? We all know very well that what is a Cpanel. For our local computer installation, we have used the Cpanel, which is XAMPP, like this. This is the control panel for our local systems. But when we upload our website, dynamic and hosting it, so we have to purchase a particular cPanel which can be easily operated from any kind of system. Okay, from any kind of system we can operate it. Okay. Now I'm going to firstly start from here. 000webhost.com. This is a particular website which will provide you free web hosting with cPanel. Okay, zero cost website hosting with PHP, MySQL, cPanel, and with no ads. But there will be some ads into the particular domain. When you will register to this particular domain, first of all, you have to sign in. With your Google account, you can easily sign in with this particular website. Log into the cPanel and the manager file. Okay. Management of the file is also given free in this particular website. Login page is being opened right now. Okay. You can simply open your login with the Google or with anything with Facebook. Definitely no one will prefer to get into it. Simply add up your Google site, or you can easily create Hostinger also. I have created my account, so it's opening my account here. Okay. So Fatma 123, this is basically my account. This will be the first window when you will log in into the particular site. After the login, now you have to create a new site. When you will click over the button, create new site. We are not going for the premium right now. Not now. Manage website. Create new site, not right now. So it's not allowing us to create new site. We are going to manage our install site. When you will firstly click over this button, so it will provide you option to get different installation of theme and installation of different kind of things into your account. For example, when I have opened my particular site, so you can see all the things have been given to us. The installation of WordPress, simply you will firstly start over from here. You can create database, MySQL and PHP. Okay, my admin PHP my admin is also given to you. MySQL database is given to you. These are the things you can easily manage from here. File manager, you can upload your different kind of files with the file manager here. These are the files details of your particular site. This is the port, this is the host name, this is the password. Okay, and this is the website which will be visited. You can change your website name from here, but there are particular restrictions that you can not give any kind of link to your website right now. I hope so, because I have tried to change this particular name, but there was some problem. I think we have to add some kind of domain over here. So that's why I'm not discussing this part right now. You can simply use this particular domain to visit your website. Okay. These are the file transfer protocols which have been given. Host name, port, and these kind of things will be used. Host name, port, and username will be used for the FileZilla. In this particular website, I have already installed WordPress. This is my WordPress. When you will simply click over this particular WordPress, first of all, I will just prefer to open a new tab right here and copy this particular instruction in here so that this particular instruction will not be missed. Okay. Now we are going to view the site. These are the web settings have been saved over here. there is WordPress error, but our site have been enabled through the WordPress PHP. You can see the link sumalfatma.000 webhost app.com and WP admin. This is the site which I have created on this 000.com. Simply I have installed WordPress over here, and then I have used different kind of plugins. I have installed different kind of plugins because this is a Cpanel which is provided you free. So that's why there can be some security issues, there can be some loading issues. Obviously you have to face these kind of issues. These are the plugins which I have installed, because in our second lab, in our next lab, which is related to the lab, which is related to the jQuery and security plugins. So we will discuss these things into the next lab, inshallah. I have already installed these plugins. We will discuss these plugins settings into the next lab. Why we have to use these settings and why we are enabling these settings, we will discuss these things into the next lab. Right now we have discussed 000webhost.com right now, and then we are moving forward to the FileZilla. First of all, you have to install FileZilla client. Simply FileZilla client you have to download here. The download process is very simple. Simply you have to download it, and then next will be the process to download this particular FileZilla file. I have already installed it, FileZilla client, and then right now I'm opening it. This will be given to you in the first place. These are the files which have been selected from our system. When you will select a particular location into your particular system, then the files will be shown. For example, XAMPP, where your files have been placed. So you can simply take your file from here. When you will upload particular files to the particular port, then the remote sites will be shown here. The remote data will be shown here. The host name, the username, the password, and the port. Port will always remain 21 because it's FTP, so it remains 21. The message is also shown over here. Enter the port on which the server listens. The default for the FTP is 21. Okay? And then the default for SFTP is 22, means secure file transfer protocol. The password, the host, and the username. Here we have seen our details for the host, for the username, and for the password. Right now, actually, I'm not remembering exactly what my password is, but I'm just trying to establish the connection. Because seriously, I really don't remember my password right now. Intermediate certificate, 0 server certificate, 2 intermediate certificate, or root certificate. Right now, I'm just simply selecting 0 certificate of this 0 server and then pressing OK. TLS connection established. So our connection have been established. There is login authentication error. The password required and the username is simply incorrect. The password command is basically incorrect here. So actually I'm not remembering my password right now. So first of all, I will change my password, and then inshallah in our next part, I will enable this and I will send files to the remote site. Inshallah in our next tab, I will create this, because first of all, I have to recover this password from here, the site, then I will enable it. Okay, you people can try it, and inshallah easily it will be connected and your files will be uploaded over here. First of all, I am going to enable my password here so that FileZilla will accept my files. Okay, students, right now, thank you so much. I hope you people will understand it, and alhamdulillah, you people are already learned much better. So create this WordPress site by using W000 web host app, and inshallah it will be a great experience you will find. And you can create your particular website without any installation. Cpanel and file manager, PHP admin, everything is given to you. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz, take care.